सदाए हक जो चैनल है वो है सद्दाम मीडिया।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुह। The Holy Quran is the sacred book of the Muslims. This is my favorite book. The word Quran means the reading. It is a book not written by human being. It is sent for man's guidance by Allah Almighty through our last Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Jibreel was used to carry the message of God. It is the widely used in the world. The Holy Quran is divided into 30 paras and 114 surah. Each surah contains a different number of verses. Out of 114 surah, 86 were revealed at Makkah and 20 at Medina. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.